Today I'm gonna teach you how to make a flag map with multiple flags. Download and open MapChart. Click Create Map. Click the map you want to use. I choose Europe. Click Extras. Click Background Color. Make it blue. Scroll to default color. Make white. Turn off country names. Resize. Click 3 dots. Hit Download Map. Crop photo. Open IBIS Paints. Import your map. Click Recommended. Select the country you want. Open Browser and look the flags you want up. Open Map Backup. Select Magic Wand. Pick Country. Click this. Click Camera. Select the flag you downloaded. Resize your flag. Hit check mark. Hit Cancel. Click this, then repeat. When done, save. Thank you for watching. I hope this helped.